People say, "Bless you," when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. Your heart doesn't stop completely, but it may slow down or skip a beat. But it has nothing to worry about. The body is a resilient machine, always adapting and responding to keep us safe. Even when faced with life's tiny surprises like a sneeze, it knows what to do. So, the next time you hear a "bless you," smile, knowing your heart is on your side.